Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to today's class. Let us start question number 5 from exercise number 4E. Open your textbook and notebook. Come to exercise number 4E, question number 5. Read the question from your textbook. Question is, evaluate 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8 plus 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 all divided by 0.8 into 0.8 minus 0.8 into 0.5 plus 0.5 into 0.5. Okay? You can multiply this and bring answer. But using identity, how can you do this question? That is our question. Multiply and bring answer. Multiply, add, subtract and finally divide. That way also you can do. But evaluate using identity. That is the actual question. Now, solution. I write the same question once more. 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8 plus 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 divided by 0.8 into 0.8 minus 0.8 into 0.5 plus 0.5 into 0.5. Now what I am going to do, look at the board very carefully. I take 0.8 equal to A. Let 0.8 equal to A and 0.5 is equal to B. Then this question is reduced to the form A cube. Why? Because 0.8 we take A. 0.8 in the numerator is appearing 3 times. Therefore power is 3. Plus B all raised to 3. Here also you can notice here this 0.5 is appearing 3 times. That is why power becomes 3. Then this divided by here 0.8 is twice. So I write A square minus A into B, AB plus B square. After considering 0.8 equal to A and 0.5 equal to B, this question is reduced to the form A cube plus B cube all divided by A square minus AB plus B square. And you know the identity, you learned the identity. A cube plus B cube is equal to A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. You remember this identity. Oh, okay. Now, in the place of numerator, what is numerator? Numerator is A cube plus B cube. What is actually A cube plus B cube? A cube plus B cube is A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. So, we can write here, this is equal to, this A cube plus B cube, we can write it A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. All divided by same denominator, A square minus AB plus B square. After writing this much, cancel this part, write a part. Finally, we are getting A plus B. And what is A? What is A? A is 0.8. 0.8. What is B? B is 0.5. And add both, which is equal to 1.3. This is the required result. 0.8 plus 0.5 is equal to 1.3 is the required result. Now second part also we can do. Second part of the same question. This is the first part of question number 5. Let's do second part. Second part. Read the question and write. 1.2. Second one. Evaluate 1.2 into 1.2 plus 1.2 into 0.3 plus 0.3 into 0.3 all divided by 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2 minus 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3. This is the question. All of you look in your textbook and read the question and write. Now, how can you start? As you did in the previous question, the same way. Let A is equal to 1.2 and B is equal to 0.3. If we consider A is equal to 1.2 and B is equal to 0.3, this question is reduced to the form 1.2 into 1.2 plus 1.2 into 0.3 plus 0.3 into 0.3 divided by 1.2 into 1.2 into 1.2 minus 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3 becomes A square plus AB. A square plus AB plus B square divided by A cube minus B cube. This is. Now, this is equal to A square plus AB plus B square divided by, and you know the identity. What is A cube minus B cube? A cube minus B cube is A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Okay? And this is equal to, here you can cancel this bracket, A square plus AB plus B square and A square plus AB plus B square from both the sides. After cancelling, you are getting 1 upon A minus B. 1 upon A minus B. This is equal to, what is A? A is 1.2 minus, what is B? 0.3. Okay? This is equal to 1 upon, after subtracting, you are getting 0.9. And this becomes 10 by 9. After removing the decimal point, you are getting it is 10 by 9. 1 upon 9 by 10, like this. 1 by 9 by 10 equal to 10 by 9. If anyone asks doubt, this is the way to change decimal point. And what is this one? After dividing, 1 by 9 is the required answer. Look at the board once more. We take or we consider A equal to 1.2 and B is equal to 1. In place of A we can write 1.2. In place of 1.2 we can write A. In place of 0.3 we can write B. Okay? Then we get A square plus AB plus B square all divided by A cube minus B cube form. After applying identity, denominator becomes A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Then after cancellation, it becomes 1 upon A minus B, 1 upon 1.2 minus 0.3. And this after subtracting, we get 1 upon 0.9 equal to 10 by 9 equal to 1 by 9. Okay, this is the required result. Let's get an answer of this question. Let us conclude today.